Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and I'm excited to be sharing today's Odoo's tips and tricks. What is the difference between having a series of individual applications to manage your business versus an all-in-one solution? Today, we will discuss why having an all-in-one solution like Odoo will alleviate the headaches that come with using a disjointed network. Many of us are used to working with a handful of applications to run our businesses. In fact, the average business uses around 14 different applications to manage everything from sales, accounting, marketing, inventory management, and many other things. Our networks can sometimes look like a spaghetti bowl of applications. However, this is not the most efficient way to manage your business processes, mainly due to four main reasons. Number one, there is no native integration across the applications. Needing the help of API connectors to pull and push data from one place to another isn't the best way to do it. API connectors are expensive to maintain, especially when one application gets updated to the most recent version. Also, no centralized intelligence makes it difficult to report data from different sources. How much inventory is on my shelves? How much has been invoiced by my salespeople? And lastly, learning and training various systems can be time-consuming, as well as inefficient with double data entry and a higher probability that mistakes will be made. Odoo is an all-in-one solution made up of integrated applications. You no longer need to have an application for your CRM and another for your accounting. Odoo makes it easy to have a complete traceability across all of your business, allowing you to focus on what truly is important, making your business grow. The way Odoo is able to offer an all-in-one solution is through its architecture. Odoo's modular architecture means that you only need to input or modify your data once. Let's say you change a contact on a contact application. That information is automatically updated across all of the various apps. You eliminate the need to double or triple data entry, as well as limit the kinds of clerical mistakes that are often overlooked. For more information on streamlining your business with Odoo, please reach out via email or get in touch with one of our business analysts who will be excited to go over the best way to improve your business processes today. As always, don't forget to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all!